In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Word documents and combine multiple Word files into a single organized document. Let's start by opening the main Word document that you want everything to be merged into. Think of this as your master file. This could be a report, a manual, or any document that you want to bring other files into. Make sure you've saved this file and that you know exactly where the other Word documents are stored on your computer, such as in your Documents folder or on your desktop. With your master document open, place your cursor exactly where you want the next document to appear. This might be at the end of the document, or between two existing sections. It's a good idea to add a page break before merging if you want each new file to start on its own page. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+Enter on Windows, or Command+Enter on a Mac. Now, look at the top of Word and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Insert menu, find the option called Object. Click the small arrow next to it and then choose Text from File. This is the built-in Word feature that lets you pull in the content of another Word file directly into your current one. A file browser window will pop up. Here, navigate to the folder where your other Word documents are saved. Select the file you want to merge first. If you want to bring in several documents at once and they're all in the same folder, you can usually select multiple files by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each file. Once you've selected your file or files, click Insert. Word will pull the content from those documents and place it right where your cursor was in the master file. Take a moment to scroll through and review the merged content. Check that the headings, spacing, and formatting look the way you expect. If something looks off, you can adjust it manually using the Styles section on the Home tab. You can also repeat this process as many times as you need. Click where you want the next document to go back to Insert, choose Text from File, and bring in the next file. When you're finished, don't forget to save your newly combined document with a clear name so you know this is the final merged version.